Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the killer Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Friday, yes, it's still Friday, June the 14th, 2024. And in this newspaper, by the way, there is also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. News of the day, well, the European Championship of Soccer is started today, yes. First match, Germany against Scotland. Alright, let me continue. 4-star Sudoku number 8717. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has really a 24 printed digits. Yes, definitely a 4-star puzzle. For 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 2s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 1 6, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 4 9s. So the 9s are a majority. Can I start with a 9? 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 in the column next, no 9 there. The only place left on the 9 should be there. 9 9 9 9 9. 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 9. Yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this third column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 9 in the first row, so no row between the second row. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 9. 9 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 8 8. 2 in this first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only place left to choose should be there. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have 2 and the 9 in the third column, so no 2 and the 9 in these 3 boxes. 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Okay, so what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 4 6. 1 4 6. Okay, cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers then? In this column, 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and 5. Nope, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I hate to split those numbers. Alright. 5 5. Let me see. 2 2 2 2. 2 2. Then I need a 2 there. 1 2 3 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. So the 2 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 2 in this column. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, on the last column, there are only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left. The 2 should be there. 2 in the 9, we have a 2 now. In the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. How about the 9 now? 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Now only 3 places left on the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. No only place left for the 9. Shoot me there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 9. We have a 9 now in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Only place left with 7. Should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left with the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, and I need a 7. That means in this column we need a 7 in one of these 3 boxes. Here can be 7 in the last column because we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, here, or there in the last column. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 in the third row, no 7 there. The only place left with the 7. I should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 3 here. And 3. Need a 5 here. Need an 8 and a 6. Well. Need an 8 here. 8. Need an 8 here. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Come on. Need a 3 here. Need an 8 here. Yeah. 7. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. The only place left with 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left with 8 should be there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. So the other 2 should be the 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this middle row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left with the 1 should be there. Well. We have a pair here. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright, so we have a 6 here. So we have a 8 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for an 8 in this big square. Shoot there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the column next, so last column. Only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 6 and 8, we have 8 now in the third row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, 6 goes there. And all the 8s are used, I can't see. Digit number 4, number 8. Alright. Need a 6 here. Yep. We need a 6 in these 3 boxes. Here can be 6. We have 6 in this column. No 6 there. Here we have a 6 in the third one. No 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 or 5. We have a 5 in this column. So this should be a 3. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row, third row. 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the only place level 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, 5, number 3. Okay. Then 6 and the 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes, and there are 2 numbers left in this big square. For the same numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 1 box left in the first column for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And 1 box left in this last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 30 minutes. Well, I'm surprised for a 4 stars Sudoku. Not the 4, not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with time. And like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with a other puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.